welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen, and today I'm going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is a classic vertical happy planner, and it'll be for the week of January 2nd through January 8th. And today I'm going to be using stickers from the Designer Chameleon Winter Wonderland collection. So I got this small sticker sheet as one of my freebies for one of my purchases, but it goes along with the Winter Wonderland collection. So I'll be using this free sticker sheet I got. Then I'll be using stickers from the Winter Wonderland days, and then stickers from the Winter Wonderland highlight accents, and stickers from the Winter Wonderland headers. Along with the Winter Wonderland collection stickers from Designer Chameleon, I will be using functional boxes from mojojojoplans winter boxes. And in case you're interested in this Winter Wonderland collection from Designer Chameleon, I am a brand ambassador for the Designer Chameleon shop. And you can use my discount code to get 15% off of your order. And my discount code is Carmen15 for 15% off. And I'll go ahead and link that code down below so that in case you are shopping in the shop, you can go ahead and use that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these stickers to the side. And I'm also going to pull out my daily gratitude stickers that I'm going to use on my sidebar. And these are from Steph's Designspace. And Steph Designspace opened her shop back up today, and so you can go ahead and check out the new site. She did some site maintenance, so it's really easy to navigate around that site. I also have a discount code for Steph's Designspace. It'll save you 15% off of your order. It's Carmen15, and I will also link that down below. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and pull a few stickers because I have in mind, I don't want to use the snowman that came in the collection today. I'm going to save those for another spread. So I'm going to pull the trees, these green pines right here, and the houses. And I'll be saving the snowflakes and the snowman for a different spread. Okay, so I'm going to go through this, and I'm going to pull the tree header. Put this down here, and then also the bottom one with the houses and the trees. And then I'll leave these for another time. Then I'm going to go through the highlight accents, and I'll be pulling out the trees and the houses. I don't have enough room on here, so I'll go ahead and just remember that. And then I'm going to also use these right here, but the tree ones. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the headers for the date headers. I'm actually going to white out just the days of the week. I'm going to leave the numbers there because I plan on putting the trees next to the number, so I don't have to replace the number. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I actually don't have those numbers available. I used this kit before, and I don't have all the numbers. I have 2, 3, and 4, but then I don't have 5, 6, 7, or 8. So I'm going to just use the day of the week covers, and then we're going to try to just kind of put them next to the number so it doesn't block the day it is. So let's see how this works out. Okay, not too bad. All right, so we got Monday, and we can still see the 2. And then we're just going to be very careful with our placement here. Make sure that we can see the number. So we got Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. I'm gonna go ahead and okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. I noticed some of these trees are taller than others, so it's kind of hard to get them exactly where they need to be and not have the tree go off of the page a little bit. So you got to just be very very careful with where you're putting the day of the week. Okay, almost done. We're coming to the weekend. So we got Saturday and then Sunday. Okay, I like how that turned out. Make sure that this is where it needs to be. Okay, so we're done with the Winter Wonderland days. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side. And so now we've got it with the trees at the top here. All right, and then I do want to put the header strips that I've got here. So we're going to put them along the bottom. Put the trees on the right. Okay. So we've got the trees on the right, and then we're gonna put the little houses on the left. It's cute. Okay. Alrighty. Then we're going to go ahead and bring in the circle highlights here. So I have 6 of them, not 7, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put a circle in every one. Maybe just during the week, and on the weekend I can do just functional boxes or like a double box. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So I'll put this one here, and then the house here. And then keep going with this. So I'll do the trees here. And then the house over here. And then maybe another house down here. I'm gonna switch that. I'm gonna make this a tree. Okay, I'll make that a tree. The reason that I want to put the circle up here, kind of like I did on the left side here, is because I plan on putting a box right here, and so I wanted to make sure I had the space for that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here, and then we'll figure out something for the weekend, but we've got sections to write during the week there. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring in my mojojojoplans winter boxes here. And I think for this one in particular, this spread, I'm actually going to go with these cool tones here. These blue and kind of grayish tones to kind of go along with the snow. So I'm going to go ahead and pull, I don't know, maybe I want the lighter blue. I do have the lighter blue in here. I have to kind of see which one this matches, but let me see how the other one is going to look. I do have that blue in here. The more I look at it, I think this blue probably goes a little bit better, I think. So we're going to go ahead and switch for this one. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and take my big white out easy corrector, and I'm going to white out this week's list here on the side. I don't really make lists on the side. I do a gratitude section on my sidebar, so I want to make sure I have room for that. Okay, so we're gonna do it this way. All right. And then I do have a couple of stickers I can use for here. We're gonna do a tree down at the bottom and then a house up at the top. Now I am gonna leave some space there because I am going to put a Designer Chameleon sticker right up here since I'm using stickers from the Designer Chameleon shop. I'm gonna put that there. And then we're going to continue here. So I'm going to get me some of these small headers and I'm going to notate my trash and my recycle for the week. Okay. I'm going to move this over and then it'll go here on the Friday. All right, and then I'm also going to put a double box here in the center for the weekend. Anything that I need to write down or notate, I'll go ahead and put in this box here. And then let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and take a look. All right. Now what I am going to do is I am going to maybe put some checklists to go along with these circles here. I do have a lot of things I need to get done this week around the house. And we do need to put up our Christmas decorations. Or put them away, I should say. So we do need to do that. Okay. And then this gives me just the opportunity to write in everything that I'm getting done. And then here for the weekend, I'll kind of leave it open. I was going to put some checklists there. I know we're going to do some stuff over the weekend, like, you know, put stuff away, but as we go, I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. All right. And just like that, it came together. So now what I'm going to do to go ahead and finish this out is I am going to bring in my daily gratitude script and some bullet points, and I think that should be it. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to go ahead and add this quote that I've got here, making memories, just making memories in the new year. Okay. All right. So I need to find bullet points that'll match this spread, unless I just bring in some black ones, which is kind of what I'm thinking about doing. We'll see. Yeah, the more I think about it, I'm just going to bring in some black ones. Black matches all the spreads, so. Okay, so we got our daily gratitude in, and I'm going to bring in my black bullet points. And so we're going to put in one for every day. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, oh, I skipped one, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. All right, got the sidebar done, and just taking one more look to make sure if there's anything else I want to add, but I think that is all for this week's spread. All right, guys, that concludes my plan with me for this week in my catch-all planner. Again, I use stickers or functional stickers from the mojojojoplans winter boxes, stickers from the Designer Chameleon Winter Wonderland collection, which included stickers from the highlight accents, a sampler freebie, headers and days, and then the daily gratitude script sticker from Steph's Design Space. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and notification button if you like this video and would like to see more of my videos in the future. That would really help out my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much to all of you for your support, and I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!